Hello children, this is our first session of English Literature, Chapter 2, The Yellow Butterfly. Students, today before starting our chapter, I want to draw your attention towards a very important thing. Children, we always talk about how to behave with our elders, neighbors, teachers or friends, right? But have we ever noticed that animals, birds or insects too have feelings? Even though they cannot speak like us, but they can understand our behavior. If we treat them nicely, they will like us. But when we tease them or treat them badly, they will not like us. Related to this, there is one activity given in your textbook. Let's see that. Imagine that you have a puppy in your street. What will you do and what will you not allow your friends to do? Fill in the table. Now the first answer is already given in your textbook. Let's read. I will bring milk for the puppy, and I will not allow others to disturb the puppy when its mother is feeding it. Now I have tried to write my answers. You can try on your own. Second, I will play with the puppy. I will not allow others to tease or harass the puppy. Third, I will build a small house for the puppy, and I will not allow others to give any food that is harmful to the puppy. I hope your answers will be the same like mine. In short, we should be kind to animals and we should always treat them with great care. Children, our today's story is of a boy named Sonu and the yellow butterfly. So, let's find out how does Sonu treat this yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Here, the word rose bed means a plot of land where roses are growing. So, Sonu was in his garden and suddenly he saw a beautiful yellow butterfly. He liked it so much that he thought of catching it. And where did the butterfly sit? Yes, it sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer and still closer. But then, here the word silently means quietly. And closer means very near. Let's see ahead what happens next. Off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. Here the word floated means stayed on the top of water. The butterfly went and sat on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Here the word splash means the sound made when someone jumps into water. So children, when Sonu jumped into the water, it sounded like this. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a champak tree. It had white flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. That means the yellow butterfly first sat on a red rose, then on a lotus leaf, and then on a white flower of a champak tree. "I can catch you," shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. As we all know, butterflies are very quick. They never sit at one place. So Sonu could not catch it here also. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. Here the word chased means ran after. From the rose to the lotus and up the champak tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. Once again he saw the butterfly. There was a big web, a spider's web in the guava tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It was eager to escape. Escape means to be free from. It wanted to be free. It fluttered its wings. Fluttered means shook or trembled. Means shaking very quickly. It twisted and turned. To twist means to bend. But it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. Now Sonu is feeling sad for the butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Here the word crawled means moved slowly with the body close to the ground. Do you know, students, which other animals crawl? Yes, snakes, crocodiles, lizards, etc. Because when they move, their stomach is near to the ground. Now back to the story. What happened next? Before the hungry spider could grab it or catch it, Sonu ran and he got the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. It means Sonu safely took out the butterfly from the web and saved it. But now, children, can you imagine what will Sonu do with the butterfly? Because he was trying to catch it since long and now he has caught it easily. Let's see what Sonu does with the butterfly. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. "Go," said Sonu, "fly away." He let the butterfly go. So children, this shows how kind Sonu was, isn't it? Sonu had understood that butterfly did not like to be caught up by anyone. It wanted to get free. So Sonu let it go. It went and sat on the red rose. It flew to the champak tree and then it went to the lotus leaf. Sonu smiled as he saw how the butterfly flew merrily from flower to flower. That means now Sonu was happy to see the butterfly flying from one flower to another. So children, it means if you feel happy when others are happy and you feel sad in others' sadness, that means you are also very kind, just like Sonu. Because Sonu also felt sad when the butterfly was stuck in a spider's web, and he became happy when he saw the butterfly flying from one flower to another. So children, the story ends here. Today This story has taught us all that we should be kind to all the animals, birds, and even insects. Now let's see some new words from the story. Students, you have to write these new words in your notebook and learn their spellings. Number 1, silently. 2, floated. 3, splash. 4, chased. 5, eager. 6, escape. 7, fluttered. 8, twisted. 9, crawled. 10, grab. 11, merrily. Now children, we have already discussed the meanings of some of the hard words while reading the chapter. Read them again and write them in your notebook. Let's understand how to make different sentences from the given words. Children, you can also try on your own. Number 1, silently. Children silently study in the class. 2, floated. My paper boat floated in the puddle. 3, chased. The policeman chased the thief. 4, escape. The thief could not escape from the police. 5, fluttered. The bird fluttered its wings. 6, merrily. Children sing the songs merrily. Merrily means happily. Now it's homework time. Children, today's homework is actually an activity from your textbook. It is very simple. Let's discuss it. Here are some sentences about the actions of some children. Write well done if you like their actions, and write not done if you don't like their actions. Try to read the sentences on your own and write the answers. You can take help of your elders too. This brings us to the end of the first part of the chapter. Tomorrow I will be back with some more interesting things from the chapter. Till then, enjoy learning and remember, be kind to every kind, not just mankind. Thank you.